Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make use of cucumber, how to mix soap with cucumber to obtain great result. The result will shock you. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. In this channel I share beauty tips that will help you greatly to achieve great skin, to tighten a saggy skin, to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, to make sure you are looking more youthful always. So do subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos you get notified. So this is Dove, okay? You can make use of any soap. I chose this because it has pH balance. It's a neutral soap that will help to balance the pH of your skin without causing any allergy. So this is for all skin type. You can make use of any favorite soap that you have, okay? And this soap, I've tried it so many times. It helps to clarify the skin. It helps to clean the skin without leaving it dried out. It gets rid of pimples as well. So cucumber, as we all know, is very good. It's very nourishing. It contains high amount of water that will help to keep your skin fresh and supple, well hydrated, to achieve great look. At the end of this, you are going to see the results. Wash my cucumber very well. Ensure your hands are clean. Wash it thoroughly to remove all dirt. I'm going to make use of just a little amount, just to show you how it's done. So either you blend it or you grate it. I'll be making use of my grater to grate it into smaller size, so that I'll be able to extract the juice from the cucumber. If you made use of a blender to blend it, you are still going to do it the same way, okay? I'm going to add hot water. Pour in hot water. Make sure the water is hot, just a little. There is no actual measurement, okay? Just add a little so that you'll be able to infuse the juice of cucumber thoroughly. With the help of my strainer, I'm going to strain it out. It's time to grate our soap, okay? There are different kinds of this soap. It comes in white, it comes in pink and other colors, but I love this white one, the plain one. If you have a sensitive skin, this is perfect. As I said earlier, you can make use of any soap of your choice. So I'm going to grate just a little. The reason for making use of this, so this is a foaming agent as well that will help to ensure proper cleansing of the skin. Just grate a little goes a long way, because we are just making a small amount of this remedy. So the next thing to do is to transfer my cucumber into my grated soap. By this time the water is no longer hot, so just use any metal or wooden spoon. Mix it thoroughly like this. So you have to leave this water for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the soap must have melted. Then it's time to make use of it. I'm going to strain it out to remove further particles. So the next one to add is rose water. Rose water is perfect for skin, leaving your skin so refreshed. If you have a very tired skin, this will help to soothe it. If you have irritated skin, rose water will help greatly. This is for all skin type, be it you have oily skin, sensitive skin, any kind of skin at all, dry skin. This will help to balance the pH of your skin, making sure your skin is looking so great. If you have an oily skin, this will help to absorb so much oils from your skin, keeping your skin looking so nice. I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of my rose water. So here we have a very important cleanser that your skin needs to breathe properly. If you want a facial cleanser that you can make use of every morning or night, this is it. Just mix it thoroughly. Just continue mixing. So if you want to brighten your skin, like get rid of dark spots, just add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or orange juice. They contains vitamin C that will keep your skin looking way brighter and also fighting acne and the rest. Make use of this facial wash every morning and night. Just use a cotton wool and you never regret it. So I'm going to go right now to show you how to make use of this for effective results. So this treatment is for those that desire a cleanser or a facial wash. So this is a DIY facial wash that you need to make sure you have a clear skin, to get rid of pigmentation, to balance the skin pH, to make sure you have no pimples, dark spots. You want your skin to be flawless looking without makeup. You go out there and be looking so beautiful. Try this facial wash. So what you have to do, after mixing your cucumber and soap with the other ingredients in it, then you have to use a cotton wool like this, or you use your washcloth, a facial towel, or you can store this in a spray bottle, any container you want to use, so that you'll be using it from there. Then you have to use it to wash your face like this. So after using it to wash your face, you have to go immediately. You have to allow it for a little time, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes, and wash it off. So store the remain in a container, as I said. Be using it from the container to be washing your face morning and night. Leave it on for that few minutes, then wash it off. Your skin will just be milky, just like a butter. Your skin will just look so clear, so beautiful. You will love the results. So go ahead and try this and you'll never regret it at all. I'll leave it on for some time, wash it off. I'll be right back. So after washing it off, you see how clear and beautiful your skin is going to get. Mix cucumber and soap, any soap of your choice, a gentle soap, and you will love the results. With continuous use, you will have beautiful skin. With no makeup, you'll be looking so beautiful all the time. Use it morning and night, as I said earlier, and you will love it. Remember to follow on with a moisturizer on your skin. Apply it gently and you get perfect results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.